Today, we're working on the hard body again. And you know what's funny? I was hoping that something would happen so I could make another video, but I didn't want it to be too dramatic, and that's exactly what happened. So I realized, like, you don't need to worry about making the videos. They make themselves. So I had a leak, and I got home from work, and I see this thing dropping, and I'm like, oh, great. It's leaking oil. So I get under here, and I see all this area right here wet. All this. And I realize this little hose is the only thing that's wet. This little hose is the lower transmission cooler hose. And that cooler is right under the radiator. Let me see if I can pan up to it. It's probably pretty dirty because I kind of neglect cleaning off all of my stuff here. But it's like right in that area basically. So we got a little lower hose leak. And we're gonna get it done, get it replaced. Get my skating shoes, they're all destroyed from messing with the hard body. Anyway, we're here at Napa. We're gonna go ahead and get what we need so we won't have no greed and we can plant some seeds. All right, guys, so we're back from nah, ba, 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 nah, Autobots. Alright guys, so let's check our goodie bag here. So we got some ATF Napa fluid here, transmission fluid, because I know I'm gonna spill some. Got a 5/16 transmission cooler hose, and some carb cleaner so we can clean off our area. Also from Napa. I'm not paid by them. I'm not sponsored by them. But if they can send me some hats and a couple shirts, I will represent. All right, guys, let's get started. So once you're under the car, you're gonna see a little 10mm screw here that you can kind of angle so you can take it off. So I just get it at an angle like this, and then I grab my 10mm bolt. 10mm wrench. And then, sorry about that. Got my 10, and then I just loosen it that way. And once you loosen that bolt up, you're gonna need a catch can here so you can yank your hose off and let some of that fluid drip out. Oh, and there goes all the training fluid. Need a rag or something to stuff in there. All right, so we're gonna mosey our hose on. Nice and easy. Then we're gonna tighten up our screw with a flathead. Want to get it on the harder part. Don't want it to be on the soft part. Alright, looks like that's on there pretty good. So now we're gonna take off our top screw, which is this one right here. The dogs won't shut the hell up. Because it's being stubborn. So fucking stubborn. Yeah, so this one you just gotta wiggle it until it wants to give. There we go. Alright, that's decent. So we're gonna slide this thing on. Oh, nice. Nice and easy. I'm gonna turn it like this. Alright guys, so we're gonna clean this off and go on to the next part. Alright guys, so we're gonna get our carb cleaner here and just spray everything. Just wipe it off. Make sure we're nice and clean. Alright guys, so this is the aftermath of everything. This is how it should look. I got a 1-foot hose, so that's why my hose looks really long, but it's really clamped at the ends where it's supposed to be. But the way I see it, the longer the better, you know? So, everything looks good. I cleaned off everything. I think the old clamps is what caused this hose to leak. Them old clamps are just so tight, and they're just, they really, once it gets hot, when all that pressure starts going through, and then clamps are so tight, they start to make a pinch. And it's only a matter of time, so. Alright guys, so we're cranked up and we're under the truck. I'm not seeing any tranny fluid coming out. Let's go along to this side. Nothing there. We're all warmed up. So far, so good. So that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna take that as a good sign. I'll let you know later. All right, guys, thanks. Have a good one, and make sure if you do this, get some clamps. Don't use the old clamps. Get some new ones. All right.